Good morning. Who are you? What are you doing here? I thought you said you were 6 plus. No, stay away. Hello my blue eyes white boys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not recording in my main room, so you might hear some voices or sounds. I do apologize about that. But anyways, this came in today's mail and we're gonna pop this open. And of course we can get the ghost rares, 5 new ghost rares in this set. And we got a lot of new cards and a lot of reprints, so yeah. This box contains 3 5-card ghosts from the past packs for a total of 15 cards. So we also have, how many cards are in here? 132 cards in this set. So yeah, the main reason are the ghost cards, and you can get Dark Magician and Alternative Blue Eyes White Dragon. Those are the main cards for me, but it's pretty hard to get those, so I think, but I hope, and I also believe in the heart of the cards. But let's see, it's hard to get the ghost rares. I've seen some people get it in the first box, but it's all luck. Sorry. So let's go. We also have some new cards in here, like I said. Sunseed, Sunwine and Sun Avalon. These are the new cards that you can get. And most of the cards are like used by Yugi and Kaiba, of course. And this is how it looks. Sorry for the background sounds. I'm gonna remove them. So this is how the packs look. They look ghostly. So yeah, Firewall Dragon is in here, also Dark Magician in the back, and Luster Soldier. I think this is the first one. Okay guys, I had to make a cut because my dog went crazy, and so I opened all of the boxes, and here we have 15 packs Ghosts of the Past. So the set includes a lot of support for Dark Magician, of course, Blue Eyes, Armed Dragon, Dragoonity, Raid Raptor, Shadow, and some more. Of course, Black Luster Soldier, how did I forget it? But anyways, you can get those cover cards in Ghost Rare. You can get Firewall, Dark Magician, Blue Eyes, Black Luster Soldier, and one Synchro Monster I forgot. And yeah, only 5 Ghost Rares, and it's pretty hard to get them. You need to be lucky, and you guys know which ghost card I want to get. Of course, Alternative Blue Eyes. And let's believe in the heart of the cards, and let's see how we gonna do. So first pack, I forgot to mention all cards are foil cards. So yeah, new archetype, Sunseed, Genius, Loki, I hope I said it right, normal, vanilla, ultra rare, and oh, Photon Treasure for the Photon deck. Pretty amazing card. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this pull. And then we have Metal Foes, Trillium, Fusion Monster. These are all the reprints. Nice. And some Pendulum, Metal Foes, Wolf Flame. How is the focus? Not so good. Okay, and the Synchro Monster is Red Supernova Dragon. Nice. I love this one. So they returned the ghost rares, but in my opinion they are pretty, but not pretty enough. Ultimate Rare is my favorite card in rarity. Starry Night Blast, Dragoonity, Obliterate, I can't say that. Yeah, Dragoonities are here. Also Time Thief, Redoer, Time Thieves are in here. Xyz, Time Thief, Chrono Corder, and Dragoonity, Whirlwind. Yeah, a lot of support for Dragoonity in here. And yeah, you can build a decent deck. Mask change for the hero deck. Time Thief, Winder, Madoch, Petting, I can't say that, but they are also in here. Beautiful card, beautiful archetype, Resonator Engine, and Shadow Genius. They are also in here. So yeah, let's see what can we get. A lot of reprints. Those Sunseed, Sunwine and Sundavalon are the new archetypes. Molten Conduction Field, Xyz, Dark Requiem Xyz Dragon, nice. Then we have Metal Foes Fusion, Cosmojo, trap card, and Testalos the Mega Monarch. Monarchs are also in here. Didn't know, didn't watch any of the videos. Let me know in the comments if you opened any of these packs. Did you get lucky? Time Thief, Regulator in ultra rare. Sunseed Twin, okay, nice, new archetype. Metal Foes Orichalk, I hope I said it right. Fusion Monster, Xyz Monster, Artifact Durandal, and Yugiohtcg Seal of the Heavenly Spheres. Okay. Like I said, pretty hard to get the ghost cards, because there are 5 of them only. Xyz Burst, Mind Mole, beautiful card. Dark Requiem, Xyz Dragon again. Yugiohtcg Seal of Supremacy, I hope, yeah, I said right. Yugiohtcg Monster. Evenly Matched, nice reprint, ultra rare. Evenly Matched was pretty popular, still is, I think. We got it in all kinds of rarities. We have Splash Mage, Cyber Slink Monster, nice. Sorry for the background sounds, I do apologize. Just today, Miracle Synchro Fusion, Resonator Call, Cosmojo, and Dragoonity Whirlwind. We got some dupes already. This set contains 132 cards, so let's see. Phantom Knight's Fog Blade, Metal Foes Silvered, Vanilla Pendulum Monster. Then we have Danger Thunderbird, nice reprint. Then we have Emergency Teleport, Psychic, and Necros of Red Hair. Okay, Ritual Monster, and a good one. Can we get it, guys? Can we get it? Let's believe in the heart of the cards. We have Terror of Trishula. I love this artwork. Beautiful. I love the detail. We have Yugiohtcg Seal from the Ashes. And Dragoonity. Dragoonity deck is pretty awesome. Also in Duel Links. We have Phalanx. And some Velon Dryades. I hope I said it right. New archetype, some Avalon. And then we have Yugiohtcg Sky Dragon, Overlord of Helipolis Xyz. Another beautiful card. Not sure about if it's good or not. Yugiohtcg Seal of Banishment. Grab card, Metal Foes, another dupe. Sunwine Healer. Also new archetype, plant, of course. Yugiohtcg Dragon of Tifnuit. I think I have this one. in different set. And Starry Night Arrival. Beautiful. Yeah, a lot of support for Dragunity and dragons. Okay, not so many packs left. Mask change again for the hero. Salamangreat Fowl, Salamangreat deck, Sunvine Gardener. Okay, I remember a lot of gardeners. Time Thief Perpetua, Xyz, and Dragunity Armagram. Nice. Okay, 4 packs. Let's see what can we get. So this set got delayed, I think, 1 week, but we finally got it. So Buster Dragon, Synchro Monster. Then we have Time Thief Retrograde. Nice artwork. You can see Time Thief Redoer and I forgot the other one. Winter. Metal Foes Silvered, another dupe. Taco Crusader. Nice. And Red Supernova Dragon. Nice. Synchro Monster with a lot of stars. Needs 3 tuners. Okay, last 3 packs. What can we get? What can we end with? Madoj Chateau. I hope I said it right. Beautiful card. Another Pendulum Monster, Rare Metal Foes Bismugear. And ultra rare Starry Night Asto. And Metal Foes Steelen. Another Pendulum Monster. Vanilla. And then we got Shooting Star Dragon TGX Synchro Monster. Yeah, you can also get one of the Synchro Monster dragons, I forgot the name, in Ghost Rare, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Last 2 packs. Let's believe. In the heart of the cards, Metal Foes Combination. Recover. Okay. Salvage. Classic card. Gear Town. Ancient Gear. Support. And another Heretic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres. Okay, it's all down to 1 pack. Ghosts from the past. Dark Magician pack. What can we get? What can we get? Let's see. Salamangreat Falco. Ojama Country. Vanilla Monster. Oh, this is an old card. Yozan Ryu. Yeah, I remember this from a Kaiba deck. And Royal Prison. And Sun Avalon Dryad Treant. Yeah, I hope. Okay, you guys see it, but this is it, guys. We got some cool cards. No ghost rares, because it's pretty hard to get it. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to like this video, share this video. I have a lot of openings and I will open soon some more packs, maybe do some giveaways. And yeah, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, where I post my pulls and the videos. And I open packs. I like that. I like collecting stuff. And stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day. Peace.